Watch this video to learn how to use Find My Ride Schedule. Find My Ride Schedule is a convenient tool used to manage shared ride trips online. With Find My Ride Schedule, riders can check their account balance, schedule their rides, track their bus's arrival time, view planned trips, and cancel trips if needed. In this video, we will walk you through how to use the tool. First, go to findmyridepa.org and log in using your shared ride ID, county of residence, and date of birth. If you do not know your shared ride ID, click Forgot Your ID and enter the required information to retrieve it. Once logged in, you'll see the My Rides page. At the top of the page is a menu bar displaying your current account balance and the number of rides you have scheduled. The My Rides page will display a list of your scheduled trips if you have any. When a ride is scheduled for the day, a yellow notification will appear with the estimated arrival time. Scroll down to see the full list of your upcoming trips. At the bottom of the page are options to plan a new trip, contact your local agency for assistance, or take a survey. The survey is specifically for feedback on the Find My Ride Schedule website and not for help with scheduling a ride. To view the full details of a reservation, click on one of the trips. The details of a reservation will include the following: your shared ride confirmation number, whether you are traveling with a companion, trip information, including the date and time. Below the trip date is the estimated wait time until your driver arrives. This is followed by a 30-minute pickup window and estimated arrival time. To schedule a trip, click New Trip in the top menu or Book Another Ride at the bottom of the page. Type your origin and destination. Search for places by entering either the street address or the name within the location area. After entering your trip information and confirming your locations on the map, click the Yes Looks Good button. Then, pick the purpose of your trip from the available options and click the Next button. Here, you can choose what day you'd like to travel. Any of the days in blue can be selected. Then, enter the time you want to arrive at your destination. This time must be within the available service hours shown. If you have a medical appointment, please give yourself enough time to arrive at the building, get to the check-in desk, and complete any paperwork. We suggest you choose an arrival time about 15 minutes before your appointment time. Then, from the drop-down menu, choose how long you want to stay. The pickup time for your return trip will appear below. Click Next. Is anyone riding with you? If not, click No, I'm riding alone. If you are riding with someone, select Yes, I have a companion or escort with me, and identify if it's an ADA approved escort, also known as a personal care assistant. If more people are riding with you who are not your escort, select the second box and choose how many people are traveling with you in the drop-down box. Then click Next. On this page, you can provide any information that will help the driver find you, such as specific location details, an apartment number, doctor's name, and appointment time. We suggest sharing the same information for the return trip. After entering the details, select Book This Trip. Review your ride request details and ensure everything looks correct, since trips cannot be edited online. If everything looks good, click Book This Trip. To cancel your trip, click on the specific trip you need to cancel and then click on the red Cancel This Ride button. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm your decision. If you have scheduled both a trip from your home and a return trip back to your home, please be sure to cancel both trips. You can confirm that both trips are canceled by looking at your My Rides page.